Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we get started, this is part of an ongoing Elasticsearch series. If you've missed any of the previous labs, check out the playlist in the description and get caught up, as we'll be building on what we've already configured. We're going to be looking at Logstash, another important component of the Elastic Stack. We'll learn how to start and manage the Logstash service, configure it on Ubuntu, and verify that it's running correctly. By the end of today, you'll understand what Logstash does, how it fits into a SIEM environment, and how to manage its service using Linux system administration commands. Before we jump into the commands, let's quickly understand what Logstash actually does. Logstash is an open source data processing pipeline that collects data, processes data, transforms data, and sends data to another destination. Think of Logstash as a data middleman. It collects information from different sources, cleans it up, formats it, and forwards it to Elasticsearch for storage and analysis. Common uses include security logs, server logs, application logs, Windows event logs, firewall logs, and network monitoring. In many SIEM environments, Logstash is responsible for getting the data into Elasticsearch. Most server administration tasks are performed from the command line, so let's open a terminal window. The first thing we'll do is start the Logstash service. This loads Logstash into memory and starts the data processing service. Sudo is to run as administrator, systemctl equals service management utility, starts the service, and Logstash is the service name. Next, we'll configure Logstash to automatically start whenever the system boots. This ensures Logstash remains available after a reboot without requiring manual intervention. Now let's confirm that Logstash is running correctly. If you see active and running, Logstash has started successfully. Press Q to return to the terminal. Next, we'll take a look at the primary Logstash configuration file. Nano is a text editor. Logstash.yml equals the main Logstash configuration file. This file contains many settings that control how Logstash operates, including pipeline behavior, monitoring options, performance settings, and network configurations. You can scroll through the configuration file to explore the available options. Some common settings you'll find include node name, path settings, pipeline workers, queue settings, monitoring options, and login settings. For this demonstration, we're not making any changes. We're simply familiarizing ourselves with where the configuration is located. Since we're not modifying anything, we'll simply exit the configuration file. If you have made any changes, Nano would ask whether you wanted to save them before exiting. It's important to understand that Logstash is only one part of the Elastic Stack. The workflow normally looks like this. Data comes from servers, firewalls, applications, or security devices. Logstash processes and transforms that data. Elasticsearch stores and indexes it. Kibana provides dashboards and visualizations so analysts can view and investigate the information. Imagine a company has hundreds of servers generating logs every second. Without Logstash, logs are scattered everywhere, difficult to analyze, and hard to correlate events. With Logstash, logs are collected centrally, data is normalized, and information becomes searchable. This is why Logstash is commonly found in SOCs, SIEM platforms, and enterprise monitoring environments. Logstash is a powerful tool for collecting, processing, and forwarding data within the Elastic Stack. Understanding how to manage the service is a key skill for system administrators, SOC analysts, and cybersecurity professionals working with modern logging and monitoring environments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other content. Thanks for watching. I'm CyberEd, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.